In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide all of your Facebook photos at once. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up the Facebook app and tap the three lines down in the bottom right corner. If you're on an Android, these are going to be up in the top right corner. And from here, just scroll down till you see the settings and privacy option and tick it just like so. From here, select settings and then scroll down on this option scroll down in this option until you see the audience and visibility tab and select profile and tagging. Under this section right here that says who can post on your profile, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select it and change it to only me. This is going to hide all timeline posts, including tagged photos from everyone but you. You can also choose friends accept or limit it to specific friends if you don't want to hide everything completely. But that right there is how you can hide all of your Facebook photos in one step. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you did have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.